Simulan na ang kwento! Saan ang teacher ay magtuturo at ang mga estudyante. Kami ang estudyante. Sige, tara! Okay, class, be quiet and listen to me, okay? Okay. Tintin, okay? Okay. Okay, start. Okay, 1 plus 1. Me. Tintin, stand up. 1 plus 1. Come here. 2. Oh, very good. Good job. Okay, 2 plus 2. Ashley. 4. Oh, very good. 10 plus 10 and 20 plus 20 equal 10 plus 10. Okay. 20. Okay. 20. Tintin, stand up. Okay. 20 plus 20, Tintin. Okay, very good. You can sit down now. Yay! Go learn video library. Be quiet, okay? Okay. Okay, sasagutan niyo na ito sa inyong notebook. Wait lang ha. Tinatawag lang ako ng kabilang teacher. Walang maingay ha? Apo. Apo. Baby's crying. Okay, class. Uwian na tayo because sabi ng principal may Christmas party like I bukas. Kaya, sige. See you tomorrow. Okay, bye. See you tomorrow. Bye. Baby's crying. Kinabukasan ng Christmas party. Excited, guys? Yay! Okay, ang mga palaro natin is Stop Dash and Bring Me. Kung sino ang hindi mananalo, okay lang yan. Bawi na lang kayo next time kasi may susunod pa tayong palaro. At saka yung frog. Alam niyo yung guys? Hindi po. Hindi po. Okay, mamaya makikita nyo rin, okay? Okay. Okay. Kung sino ang mananalo, siya ang may prize. Pero ang hindi mananalo, wala siyang prize. Pero, maaano pa rin naman ako sa inyo. So, may prize pa rin kayo, okay? Okay. Okay. Bring me cup. It's Daddy. Cup.
Daddy!
Hey, Daddy. Hey, Daddy. This is a classroom. It's not Daddy room. Okay. The win is Ate Ashley.
Ate Akla.